Hey guys, so quick video for you on how we can clean the Beko air conditioner. So you're gonna have clean the air filter once every 2 weeks or more if necessary. The air filter can be broken when it's bent. When the air filter is not assembled correctly, dust and other substances can enter in the unit. So if you look at the indoor unit from above, it can assemble the top after easily. You want to turn it off, then hold the knobs of the air filter and lift up slightly. And then you're going to remove it from the indoor unit. Clean the filter with a vacuum cleaner or the lukewarm water with neutral detergent. Dry the filter in the shade and insert the hooks of the air filter into the front cover. So this is like, then push down the hooks and check the side. So the type 2, turn it off, open the front cover, lift up both sides and hold the knobs of the air filter, pull them down slightly and remove them from the indoor unit. Clean the filters with vacuum cleaner or with lukewarm water. Dry the filters in the shade, insert the hooks, and check the side of the front cover for the correct assembly of the air. And it also depends what kind of like type you have, where you're gonna have like here, the triple filter, and that's it.